In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music, click on the bottom left corner. Then hit Consent in the pop-up and tap on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Finally, select Set as Live Wallpaper and hit Yes in Use App Settings pop-up. Now you can click on this gear at the top right corner and adjust all of those options however you want to. When you finished, go back. You can also select presets at the top left corner, click on one of those, and to apply the best one, select Yes. Wherever you decided when you finished, go back, click on Set Wallpaper, and decide where you wish to apply it by tapping on one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I will go with Home Screen only, so when I tap and close my app, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!